braso, bilisan ang takbo, huwag na huwag susuko. Ayos lang mga kapa, basta tayo agad, tuloy lang, sige lang. Habulin ang pangarap, ipasang bola ng pag-asa, kasama tropa at barkada, masarap ang panalo. Pagsama-sama tayo, kaya tara na, game na. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, ito ay atin. Oh, 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 oh.
Basta't bulis ng Bicolano, kahit saan mo idayo, nag-uumapaw ang kinaming talento, objeto, manalo at magsaya. Kasama pa ang astig na tropa, papakita buong pero sa lahat kami ay sama-sama. Tagaktak ng paus, di namin alintana masasaktan, madadapa pangako ay tatayo. Walang uuwi na, nakayuko na magmayatay, sa bolang binigay, hindi na naging batang pasaway. Dahil sa larong ito, pangarap sinimulan ako, Bicol Cup, di ka aatrasa sa basketbulan. Maraming natutunan, pagkakaibigan, disiplina ang gabay, sa hamon ng court, puso'y naging matibay, lakas at galing lahat ibinigay. Terminado puro press, huwag lang sumablay, simula pa ang kabata, basketball na ang laro, kahit na minsan wala namang trofeo. Salamat na kilala, tinama ko ang snow, malinis na laro, binigay sa publiko, paglabas sa court, pwedeng maging amigo. Walang tatalo sa disiplinado, lahat kami ay sumasaludo. Siya ako, ikaw, tayo ay Bicolano, dito pa lang panalo na tayo, isigaw natin. Ako Bicol, isigaw natin. Ako Bicol.
Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, ito ay atin. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, ako Bicol Cup, ito ay atin, ito ay atin.
After a month of blood, sweat, and tears, it all comes to these two resilient and mighty teams for their quest of glory. Welcome to the Knockout Championship match of your inaugural season of Ako Bicol Cup 2022 between Polangi and Dalaga, chasing victory, chasing greatness. But before we tip off this championship game, let us first meet the protagonists. First, from the team, all the way from the 3rd District, craving, wanting, and wanting for glory, your team, Polangi. Starting from Central Occidental, Polangi Albay, number 1, Austin Torres. From Upper Polangi Albay, number 4, Paul Romero. From Central Occidental, Polangi Albay, number 8, Emmanuel Ramos. Central Occidental, Polangi Albay, number 11, Patrick Salting. From Magura, Polangi Albay, number 12, Daryl Principe. From Basud, Polangi Albay, the fast, number 13, Justin De La Cruz. From Centro Occidental, Polongo by number 17, Mickey Laguna. From Gapon, Donegal by Robocop, number 19, Akbar Mondragon. From Lanigai, Polongo by number 22, Gimbert Sabater. From Basud, Polongo by number 23, AJ De Guzman. From Ponso, Polongo by number 24, Vince Gonzalez. And from San Miguel, Manila, number 27, Adrian Celana. Head coach, Peter Encisa. Assistant coach, Edsel Samanigo, Top Encisa, Ricardo Motor, Nino Luces. And Mayor Adrian Salceda. And now, let's meet the team from the 2nd District eyeing to go for victory and greatness. Your team, Daraga! Starting from Piccole, Legazpi City, number 4, Jonald Azania. Starting from Mindoro, number 12, JJ Cosby. Starting from Malabog, Daragal by number 13, Renzo Leotero. From Gabawa, Daragal by number 14, Joey Albaitar. From Ophir, Daragal by number 19, Jane Idua. From Mindoro, number 23, Jay Ganon. From Sugpo, Daragal by number 24, Kevin Utah. From Sugpo, Daragal by number 25, Roy Rogers Santiago. From Basigbiga, Legazpi City, the Spidey guy, number 27, Ernie Tiobe. From EM's Legazpi City, number 31, Tristan Pierce. From Sugpo, Daragal by number 60, Jensen Monsalve. From Biga, Legazpi City, ageless number 76, Santiago Arrienda. And from EM's Legazpi City, Russell Dassel, number 91, Dassel Polaspi. Head coach, Tots Delgado. Assistant coach, Homer Conda, Benedict Beltran, Richard Santiago, and Mayor Awin Bado. Ladies and gentlemen, please all rise and remove your hats for the singing of our Philippine national anthem. finals. Team Dalaga versus Team Polangi. Shake hands, players.
After winning semifinals over Team San Domingo and tonight this championship ang kanilang hinihintay according to Coach Peter and Cesar.
Kung usapang gamit na pangbahay ay alam mo na kung saan dapat na pumunta. Sain ko lang yan, sain ko. Ang katuwang sa pagkumpuni, sa pagremedyo ng mga sira at paglinis ng tumi. Sa tahanan, opisina, ang maaasahan mo ay Inko. Oh, Inko. 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 Oh, Inko. 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 Oh, Inko. 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 Oh, Inko. Inko.
And so we welcome you to where champions are made of, the Albay Astrodome in the province of Albay. And they are all here. Polangueños and Daragueños are all here, all meeting again for one last time and one game to go. Maybe one more win for Justin De La Cruz and Hafer Mondragon. They are no strangers sa isang finals pressure. They are fast, they are strong. The RoboCop will be more energized to navigate their way to greatness. But will that be enough to be crowned as champions? For someone like Dazzle Paul Aspe, right now he is a superstar with the way he plays, and Pulangi is trying to find a way to stop the dazzling display of Dazzle Aspe. And so is Ernie Chope. Can he have more power to finish their unfinished business for Team Daraga? Magandang gabi po. Welcome to our live coverage for the final game of the inaugural season of Ako Bicol Cup. And this is being brought to you by Congressman Saldico at Nag-Ako Bicol Party List. We have two teams na sinasabi nilang powerhouses and match na match, the teams to beat when this tournament started. And it just feels so right na mula sa segundo distrito at tercer distrito ang magtatapatan para sa kampyonato ngayong gabi.
Pag-usapan natin ang Team Daraga. They are gutsy men. We've seen them struggled and with their backs against the wall, but they push that semis all the way to its limit. They are tested more than anybody else. The resiliency of them right now is legendary because they have been through so much. They have personal issues, injuries, and they had personal challenges on and off the court, and yet they're here fighting for a championship. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is a proud team. They had bounced back after that bitter loss to Lee Gaspi. They fought back and winning the right to advance for this championship match. Dazzle Paul Aspe is at the forefront of this proud team. So is Ernie Chope. Can they continue the magnificent ride to glory? Standing in their way is the Pulangi Red Hunters. Hunting for victory, hunting for greatness, they are explosive. Because sa totoo lang, mahirap kung sino ang tututukan ng depensa dito. Everybody can shoot, everybody can score. They are strong. They are looking to even the series to Team Daraga, and this team is relentless. Pinatunayan nila how strong they are. They push themselves to the limit, and they are all determined, just like Justin De La Cruz and just like Hafer Mondragon. Right now, they are all here to make one last ride in this roller coaster of emotion dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
At ngayong gabi, sa ating finals, ako po ang isa sa mga kasama nyo. Ako po ang inyong kapartner na si Morgan. Kasama siyempre ang nag-iisang Coach Kyle Andre Marilla.
Magandang gabi po. Ito na ang pinaka-aabangan nating labanan dito sa inaugural season of Ako Bicol Cup. From 18 teams divided into 3 districts, we are down to 2. And itong dalawang koponan nito maglalaban from the 2nd district and the 3rd district. And it all boils down to this one game. You have to throw all the numbers. This is no longer about X's and O's. You have to focus on just one game and to grab the championship.
Definitely. At hindi po kami makukumpleto kung wala ang aming kasama sa courtside na ang napakaganda at very sexy pa, Miss Carmela Hernandez.
Magandang gabi mga kasurug, and we're here live at Albay Astrodome for our final round. And right now, the matchup game for our championship, this is between Pulangi versus Daraga. The long wait is over. We will now witness kung sino ang kaunahan ng team na magiging champion dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Chasing victory, chasing greatness. At bago natin simulan itong bakbakan mga kasurug, we are live sa Ako Bicol Partlist page, Ako Bicol Online TV, at sa page ni Representative Saldico. Kaya we encourage you to support us by hitting the like and share button for you guys to be updated at mapanood ang ating live broadcast in different places. Let's go back to Coach Morgs, and Coach Kyle.
Maraming salamat, Miss Carmela Hernandez. At bago natin, Coach, busisiin ang ating playoff picture, ano para sa'yo itong knockout game?
Yeah, definitely a knockout game. This is nerve-wracking. Definitely, gabi pa lang hindi ka makakatulog dahil iniisip mo, how will you going to perform in a knockout match? Especially ang pinaglalabanan nito, championship. But definitely, these two teams, they already faced a knockout game during that semifinals at pinatunayan nila sa magkabilang kupunan na kaya nilang manalo in a knockout match. But right now, only one can grab the victory.
Ayun, so pasadahan na natin, Coach, ang ating playoff picture. dito
Yeah.
sa ating finals.
As we take a look at our playoff picture right now, this is the finals, chasing victory, chasing greatness. At nakikita natin ang ating playoff picture para kung paano ba nakausad ang dalawang koponan papasok sa ating finals. Of course, unahin ko na ang Legazpi and Daraga. They face off for that Albay Clasico 3.0. At ang Team Daraga, they come victorious. That's why they are advancing to the finals. Same goes with Santo Domingo and Pulangi. Pulangi winning big time kontra sa mga nakaberde galing sa Santo Domingo. And of course, right now, they are going to face one last game for one last time.
Chasing victory, chasing greatness. Finals game, who will chase victory and who will also make history? Will it be the big guns Celada and Mondragon of Pulangi, or will it be Gadon and Chope? And how about sa ating mga guards? Will it be the Court General Dazzle Paul Aspe, or will it be the hustler Justin De La Cruz?
And right now, for our game story, chasing victory and chasing greatness. Of course, this is a win or go home. If you want to chase a victory and you want to become a great here sa atin, because right now, they are writing and they are proving to us that they are part of the history of Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
And who will prove their greatness and strength inside and outside the court?
Yeah, of course, we have here the key player matchup para sa ating labanan tonight is Hafer Mondragon and Dazzle Paul Aspe. And right now, as we take a look at their numbers, Hafer Mondragon, the RoboCup is doing damage every time sa kanilang mga opponents. At nakikita natin, he is averaging 48% from the field. And of course, that rebounding game of Hafer Mondragon ay babantayan natin because he is nearly averaging to about 15 rebounds, or to be exact is 14. At pagka mababa ang rebounding game ni Hafer Mondragon, they are losing. At sa kabilang panig naman, the dazzling display of a Dazzle Paul Aspe. Right now, kanina sinabi natin, he is playing like a superstar para sa Ako Bicol Cup, and 56% from the field, definitely that's so high for a teenager to play for a game like this. And of course, babantayan din natin his assist total. Kailangan niya mag-produce. He has to involve his teammates, and definitely these key players must involve their teammates, and they badly needed a production from the bench.
At puntahan na natin ngayon ang ating courtside reporter na si Carmela para sa panayam dito sa dalawang magagaling na manlalarong ito dito sa ating finals.
And yes, right now, kasama ko na ang dalawang key players ng both teams. Walang iba kundi ang dazzling Dazzle Paul ng Team Daraga at ang hustler Hafer Mondragon naman ng Team Pulangi. Unahin ko na ikaw, Hafer. Good evening sa'yo. Are you confident that after this game, your team will be the first ever AKB Bicol Cup champion?
Hindi pa naman kami sigurado, basta magtulong-tulong kami lang mga kasama ko. May chance kami manalo ngayon. Yun lang.
May gusto ko bang batiin or any shoutouts?
Binabati ko lahat na nanonood ngayon, saka sa nanonood sa mga taga-Pulangi. Yun lang.
Thank you, Hafer. And once again, good luck sa laro nyo ngayong gabi. At ikaw naman, Paul Aspe, how will you describe your team's journey up to here in our championship?
Ganun na nga, galing kami sa pagkatalo no, sa quarterfinals, gusto lang namin bumawi. At yun, nakarating kami dito sa championship game na hindi namin papalagpasin itong laro na to, na gusto talaga namin makuha yung first champion dito sa AKB Cup.
May gusto kong batiin or any shoutouts?
Una sa lahat, thank you sa Panginoon na nakarating kami sa championship game, na hindi kami pinabayaan. Sana po gabayin sa laro, at shoutout po sa family ko sa Sorsogon, sila Lola Elsa, sila Lolo Nombing, sila Tita Tabing, sila, at sa taga-Pidcale si Jen Ellis Oriales, si Coach Noy, at si Cap Ravalo. Yan lang po.
Thank you, Paul. And once again, good luck sa laro nyo ngayong gabi. Balik sa inyo, Coach Morgs at Coach Kyle.
Maraming salamat, Miss Carmela Hernandez. Excited na ang lahat, partner. So, umpisa na natin. Ibato na natin ang mikropono sa ating arena announcer na si Julius Russell Porlas.
Good afternoon, basketball fans! We are live here inside Albay Astrodome, where legends are made. This is the championship match of our inaugural season of Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Brought to you by Congressman Zaldico and Ako Bicol Party List, katabang ng kasurog pa. And this is the last match for your AKB Cup 2022. Chasing victory, chasing greatness. Now let's meet our protagonists. First, from your team, Polangi. Starting on floor number 4, Paul Romero. At guard number 23, AJ De Guzman. At center number 19, Hafer Mondragon. At guard number 30, Justin De La Cruz. And at 4, number 27, Adrian Celada. Head coach Peter Encisa. And now for your team, Daraga. Starting on 4, number 4, Jonald Osanya. At 4, number 27, Ernie Giope. At center, number 23, Jay Godon. At guard, number 12, JJ Caspe. And at guard, number 91, Dazzle Paul Aspe. Head coach, Tots Delgado. Our game officials are Joe Arcorum, Edmar Faraon, and Ronnie Malinizia.
At ito na
This
nga po
game is
ang
sanctioned
ating
by
finals game between Polangi and Daraga. Dito pa rin sa inyong inaugural season ng Ako Bicol Cup. At ang ating mga starters for Polangi, we have De La Cruz, De Guzman, Romero, Celada, and Mondragon. Para naman sa mga nakadilaw, Daraga, Aspe, Caspe, Chope, Asanya, and Gadon. And here we go with a tip-off. Mondragon versus Gadon. And the ball will go to Daraga.
Kanina pa to, nag-aantay ang mga tao. Punong-puno na naman tayo.
Oo.
Because Team Daraga and Polangi set a date for the finals ng ating kauna-unahang Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Definitely. And unang tira from JJ Caspe from way outside. So it will remain with the Team Daraga at 14 to shoot.
Right now, partner, pabantayan din natin dito ang foul trouble ni Hafer Mondragon. Magiging malaki to para sa Team Polangi.
And that's a nice play for Team Daraga with Asanya unguarded mula doon sa baseline. Kaya nakalusot siya with that two-pointer. Ang unang puntos po dito sa ating finals game ng Ako Bicol Cup.
The way Team Daraga wants to start this, yun nga, matake sa ilalim. Yun ang ginawa nila. That's why natalo nila yung Team Ligaspi in that Albay Clasico 3.0.
And that defense, matinding pagdidepensa. And that's another good play from those big men of Daraga, from Jay Gadon to Junald Asanya.
Again, that's the first foul of Hafer Mondragon. That will be huge for Team Polangi.
What a start for Team Daraga. At ayan, magbo-bonus shot po itong si Jonald Asanya, and making that one to complete the three-point play. Now kailangang makapuntos dito ang Polangi. 5-0 po ang ating score. Wala pang isang minuto yan, ha? Again, this is the finals. Romero from mid-range. Nakuha ni De La Cruz, Justin De La Cruz. Wala din yung kanyang tira.
Maalat ang simula ng Team Polangi dito sa ating ball game.
Oo. Ramdam natin dito sa Team Daraga na they are really, really confident. And right now, magsiset ng play ang Polangi. Pero nandun si JJ Caspe for the takeaway! Yes!
Tinignan pa si Justin De La Cruz eh.
Oo, and that one was brought to you by Willie and Sons. Kapag appliances, Willie's. Celada, passing
And
it.
another miscommunication there for the Team Polangi right now. The offense of them, medyo nagka-crumble down, so they have to settle things down.
Kailangan bang mag-time out, coach, sa ganitong sitwasyon? As
I
early
think
as...
you should.
Pero hindi ang ginagawa ng Polangi. But ito, ang ginawa... Oh, that's almost a still there.
Another lucky break for the team Daraga.
Oo.
Nabitawan ni Adrian Salada. Again, yung partner, sinasabi ko kanina during our pregame, the pressure of a knockout game, especially nasa finals ka pa, doble yun.
Matindi. Another attempt for JJ Caspe, and he made that one from the corner. What a start for Team Daraga. At yan na nga, coach, tumatawag na ang Pulangi ng kanilang kauna-unahang timeout at 8 minutes and 2 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Almost 2 minutes having gone by, hindi pa nakakapuntos ang Team Pulangi. Why? Because of the strong defense and the sloppiness of Team Pulangi right now.
Yes.
Medyo talaga nararamdaman ko yung kanilang pressure on their side. And pagdating naman dito sa Team Daraga, the confidence of Daraga right now is overflowing because of that game where they defeated the Team Legazpi, the powerhouse Team Legazpi,
Na kung saan walang talo
Oo.
sa ating
playoffs. Sa start out
playoffs.
ng playoffs natin.
So, ganun din ang observation ko, coach, at ganun din ang nararamdaman ko na Daraga is more confident as we start this ball game. At hindi yun ang nakikita ko sa Team Pulangi. Medyo a bit hesitant sila and medyo nandun ang kaba. Nararamdaman natin yan. Pero after that huddle, ano kaya ang mangyayari?
Right now, Huffer Mondragon must step up and together with Adrian Silada.
Yes.
These two men are having the best or veteran experience among them.
Mondragon throwing it out to Silada. And there you go. The rebounding prowess of Ernie Chope for Team Daraga. Aspe now. At eto na, nakuha ang throw out ni Aspe, and that's Romero hitting
Finally.
the first bucket for Team Pulangi.
Finally for Team Pulangi, nakaputos na sila because of that effort of Romero.
Miss yung long two ni Jay Gadon. De Guzman from the corner. Yes!
Much to the delight of the proud fans of Pulangi.
At grabe yung ingay po dito. You have to bear with us. Aspe to Chope. Balik kay Aspe, balik kay Chope. Chope, anong gagawin? Ibibigay yan kay JJ Caspe sa kabilang banda. At tumira ng napakalayong tres. Wala. Pero nandun si Asanya to save the day. Celada. Nakita si Justin De La Cruz at nakita rin niya si De Guzman. Launching another triple, wala. Pero nandun si Romero for the putback. 12-7 po ang ating score. 5 ang kalamangan ng Daraga at 6 minutes and 2 seconds.
That's the effort of the Sampayan Brigade of Pulangi.
Sampayan Brigade.
Oo.
Chope, umatake.
And that's the second personal foul of Adrian Silada. Again, yung sinasabi ko, the story of the foul trouble of Pulangi right now. Huffer Mondragon with 1, 2 for Silada.
At delikado yan. By the stats tayo muna, coach, before anything else.
Team Pulangi fighting back for glory. Tinalo nga nila yung Team Santo Domingo and that matchup sa ating semis.
And puntahan natin si Miss Carmela Hernandez para sa dagdag ng mga impormasyon.
And now, Team Pulangi is ready to fight back for glory after winning semifinals over Team Santo Domingo, and tonight, the championship ang kanilang hinihintay. And according to their coach, na si Coach Peter Encisa, there's only one word to say, grateful. Being here in our finals is a true happiness. Kaya sabi niya, kahit ano man ang mangyari tonight, he and his team will be forever thankful. But still, they're hoping that this game will be theirs. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat once again, Miss Carmela Hernandez mula sa ating courtside.
Double foul
And,
on number
we had a
4,
foul.
Gerald Azanya of Team Daraga and Huffer Mondragon of Team Pulangi.
So that's a double foul
So that's the second personal foul of Huffer Mondragon.
as well. So mga key players ng Pulangi, meron ng tigdadalawang player.
They are not just the key players of Pulangi. Remember, they are the tallest one para sa Pulangi. Pagka nawala yan na dalawa yan, malaking bagay yan para sa Pulangi.
And we are talking about Adrian Celada and Hafer Mondragon na meron ng couple of fouls apiece. Aspe to JJ Caspe mula sa corner. Launching a triple, and that's a right one.
Rainbow shot.
From the Rainbow Country, that one was brought to you by Asiana Mall Legazpi, where shopping is always affordable. Celada, his own version. Yes! Also! Yes na yes yan!
Sagutan ng 3 points.
Oo! This is the finals game ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Yan ang gusto natin.
Gadon, pinasa sa ilalim kay Asanya.
At merong foul.
Good decision on the part of Jay Gadon. And buti na lang, nakuha yon ni Asanya.
That's his first penalty.
And right now, with 4 minutes and 21 seconds sa ating first frame, penalty na kagad ang Team Pulangi and Team Daraga. They doing the right thing. They are attacking the heart of the defense of Team Pulangi and fishing for those fouls. But kailangan nilang ma-convert ang kanilang mga free throws kasi sayang to.
Yes, and pinatunayan naman yan ni Junald Asanya sa kanyang unang tira dito mula sa free throw line. And right now, Junald Asanya is preparing for his second shot. And there you go. Pasok na pasok ang mga free throws na yon na nakadagdag sa kalamangan ng Daraga. 19-12, 4 minutes and 21 seconds sa ating unang yugto. Justin De La Cruz. I can feel kung gaano ka-intense ang larong ito and how these players are feeling right now. Nandun yung talagang hindi maiwasan yung kaba. At there you go, that's a takeaway. Tumatakbo ng matulin itong si Justin De La Cruz for that finish. That one was brought to you by Inco Tools Legazpi, Sorsogon and Naga. Kung saan may Pilipino, may Inco.
Yun lang yung mga pinaka-konti pa so far na mga mistakes ng Team Daraga. Miscommunication in that last sequence.
Chope, Tugadon, kayang itira niya yan dyan. Nandun na naman si Chope for the rebound. Ibang klase.
The Spidey guy.
Oo, mag-rebounding talagang pinag-uusapan. Chope, maaasahan. At ayan na naman, muntik na. Pero it's going to be Daraga's ball. The referee is saying na last touch. And right now, Daraga is calling for a timeout. Ibang klase, coach, yung umpisa ng ating finals game dito sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. And by the stats ulit tayo, Team Daraga naman.
Yeah, majestic performance. Tinalo nga nila ang Team Legazpi, breaking the tie for the Albay Clasico 3.0 with 88-76 kahapon. And right now, titignan natin, maidadala ba nila ang kumpiyansa papasok dito sa ating championship match.
Yan ang aalamin natin sa report ni Carmela Hernandez. Miss Carmela.
The majestic performers, none other than Team Daraga, and ready to do more here in our championship. Sabi naman ni Coach Tads Delgado, wala na siyang ibang hihilingin pa but to make history here in our Ako Bicol Cup 2022. But having a slot here is already a wholesome, kaya tonight, all they have to do is to give their very best and to enjoy this moment with their heart and soul. Take it away, Coach Morgs and Coach Khan.
Once again, maraming salamat, Miss Carmela Hernandez from our courtside. And right now, preparing po ang Daraga for the inbound after that timeout. And eto na, Paul Aspe, binigay kay Gadon to JJ Caspe. Trying to beat the clock, pero malayo pa naman ang they have 11 seconds to shoot. Gadon making that one from the perimeter.
Parang Jay Gadon reincarnated eh.
Yes.
Maalat ang kanyang perimeter shooting doon sa ating second round and suddenly doon sa game nila kahapon sa Legazpi, he has redeeming himself.
And when it comes naman to redemption, that guy will redeem his team, Pulangi, with that spin move. Aspe to Chope to Aspe. Aspe. Binalik kay Aspe dahil hindi makakuha ng tira. And right now, it's JJ Caspe with that
defense.
acrobatic shot. And that's a good defense on the part of Pulangi. As we take a look at this move,
Gandang ikot eh.
wala sa hustler na si Justin De La Cruz. Ibang klase din talaga itong si Justin De La Cruz. At
Wow!
dukot yun, dukot!
That's the IQ of the superstar in the making, Dazzle Paul Aspe.
He knows what to do at the right place at the right time. At ito naman, when it comes to right place at the right time, hindi naman mapapaiwan si De Guzman.
Ang ganda nung ginawa nila, little give and go there by De Guzman and the red hair, Prinsipe.
And that's a statement.
Oo. Hindi ka magpapapula ng ganyan kung hindi ka mabawi. And that's big. That's the third personal foul of Hafer Mondragon.
And iba.
Malaking bagay.
Malaking bagay talaga yan. Good part on Jay Gadon
Yeah.
attacking the basket.
Yan ang sinasabi ko kanina. Team Daraga is doing the right thing. Alam nila na merong foul trouble issue ang mga big guys ng Pulangi and they are attacking the defense of them.
So, ano ang pinakamagandang gawin ko sa panig naman ng Pulangi? Will they take Hafer Mondragon out for a while?
You should. You should right now. 1 minute and 57 seconds pa lang in the first quarter. For that long quarter, hindi mo na kailangan magastos yung dalawang foul na yun ni Hafer Mondragon dahil magiging mabigat yon on your part.
At hindi na kailangang tanungin yan.
Mukhang hindi lalabas si Hafer Mondragon. They will risk him inside. Kasi kailangan mag-iisip ka na ngayon eh. Pag
Oo.
nilabas mo si Hafer Mondragon, no one will defend a guy like Jay Gadon and Ernie Chope
But can he defend
without fouling. That's a
without
question.
fouling? So, Coach, I'm gonna take my coat off. Medyo mainit na.
And another turnover for them. So, again,
With De Guzman losing that pass.
if your team Pulangi right now, the pace is on the side of Team Daraga. You have to settle down. You have to settle your offense. You have to stick to your offensive plans or your offensive plays para makapuntos ka dito. Kasi ngayon, right now, malakas, matindi ang depensa ng Team Daraga because you are scoring. Diba? Mag-reciprocate yan eh. Pag maganda yung opensa mo, you are going to defend on the other side well.
And vice versa. Pagka maganda rin yung depensa mo, asahan mo, nagaganda rin ang iyong depensa. And right now, yan ang na-enjoy ngayon ng Team Daraga. At yan ang ginagawa nila. Look at that. Pero, at yun sana, good defense dahil nakuha na ng mga taga-Pulangi yun, pero merong foul. First personal foul on Russell Dazzle Paul Aspe. So, ipinasok na muna si RR Santiago.
And si Patrick Salting pala, birthday niya ngayon. Happy birthday kay Patrick Salting together kay Mel.
Oo, si Mel. Mel natin
Happy
dito.
birthday kay
Happy,
Mel.
happy birthday. Mel. Adrian Celada.
Kakuha din ng foul si Adrian Celada. He will troop to the line to take 2 free throws.
And who was called for that foul? Was that Alpaitar? So, 25-18 po. Ito ang hinahabol ng Pulangi. At natapyasan niya ng isa because of that free throw from Adrian Celada. And there you go. Celada making those free throws. And right now, it's Team Daraga. Santiago to Peace.
Off the glass.
Yeah, that's off the glass.
mukhang may halong swerte ngayon na Team Daraga.
Oo. Celada, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. With Albaytar in front of him.
Uncheck yun.
So tama din sa tingin ko ang ginagawa ngayon ng Pulangi, that they are being patient with their offense. Hindi sila masyadong nagmamadali on that particular play.
If you're going to be, or if you want to be patient with your offense, you have to move the ball. The ball must not stick to one man. Kasi nakatutok sa kanya ang depensa, and they all know na kaya pumuntos ni Adrian Celada. So talagang may help defense na papanig dyan. So again, every time that Adrian Celada will attack, those shooters must be ready for that kick out pass to take the shot.
For those big men from the baseline.
Oh, kasi magaling na passer man din to si Adrian Celada eh.
They need to be ready for those dishes in attacking the basket. Just like what he did, what Hafer Mondragon did on that particular play. Mula kay Patrick Salting, nakasungkit siya ng foul kay Monsalve. At yun, naka-free throw pa. Renzo Yantero. Ayan ang error ng Daraga with that sloppy pass. Tapos yung tirang yon from the corner ni Gonzales. Ito na tumatakbo si R.R. Santiago.
Nakabangan siya doon ni Celada.
Oo.
Good defense on Adrian.
So 7 seconds na lang po ang nalalabi sa ating first quarter. Na-trap doon si Patrick Salting. Hindi niya naitawid ng maayos ang bola. Kaya nasa mga taga-Daraga ngayon ang possession. R.R. Santiago to piece. Launching another triple. Wala. Rebound. Pero wala na tayong oras. So that ends our first quarter dito po sa ating Ako Bicol Cup inaugural season championship game between Daraga and Pulangi. Daraga lumalamang ng 7, 28-21. Babalik po kami ni Coach Kyle.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arab po sa kuya na...
Back to the championship action. Dito po sa inyong Ako Bicol Cup. Atin to. Second quarter na po tayo. Celada for Pulangi attacking the basket. Giving it to Mondragon. At yun.
That's the second personal foul of Jensen Monsalve. And if we're going to take a look at our scoring leader so far, we have here for Team Daraga, Azania with 9, Caspe with 8. A good start for Nats Azania. And of course, para naman sa Pulangi, Celada with 7, Romero with 4. And in terms of our turnover number, lamang dito ang Team Pulangi with 6 turnovers and sa Daraga naman 5 turnovers. Again, we have a fair share of turnovers right now.
Binabagtayan mo talaga yung mga turnovers
Kasi magiging game changer to eh.
Oo.
because the team that lost the ball much higher than the other one, syempre yung kabila ang magkakaroon ng mas maraming possession.
Oo, mas magandang opportunity. And malamang magkaroon ng mas higher chance of winning this championship. Albaitar making that mid-range mula sa may baseline. And that's for Team Daraga. Shout out to Miss Rose Altesa from Jeff. There you go, that attack once again. Close to the basket. Magandang pasa yun ni Hafer Mondragon. Sa mas nakaposisyon na si Principe.
Grabe, I'm so much overwhelmed sa presensya ng mga tao dito sa suporta.
Oo.
Akala ko pinakamarami na yung kahapon. Tingnan mo ngayon, wala nang halos madaanan eh.
Oo, grabe. Kala natin yun ang pinaka matinding attendance dito sa Albay Astrodome, pero mas grabe ngayon po. At inaasahan din naman talaga natin yan dahil this is the championship game. Nandito po ang ating mahal na Congressman Saldico of Ako Bicol Party List. He's in the venue right now. And there goes missed from Renzo Llantero.
And bago yan pala, pasalamatan ko muna ang ating nagbigay sa atin ng vacuum flask from Fujidenso.
Oo. I have it also in my bag.
Oo, salamat po. And kay Mark Anthony Gandol.
And mga taga Willie and Sons, magandang hapon po sa
kay
inyo.
Boss Will. Nanonood yun ngayon. And for the first time, in the second quarter, we have 6.4 thousand viewers sa ating online TV. Again, napapanood nyo kami sa Ako Bicol Online TV, Ako Bicol Party List, at sa page ni Representative Saldico.
Yun. Mamili na lang po kung kayo kung saan kayo doon manonood. Meanwhile, Daryl Principe missing that from the baseline. Na-rebound ni Gadon, pero nandun pa rin ang makulit na depensa ni Principe. Aspe! What a nice find! Pero Renzo cannot make that shot. Aspe missing then from the outside. Now it's Silada. May hawak na bola. 1 against 3 doon. At eto, napunta sa mga taga-Daraga na naman ang bola with Caspe. And now it's Aspe. Dire-diretso, giving it to Renzo de la Cruz, using the board.
Renzo Llantero hitting his shot.
Yes, using that backboard.
Napakaganda na ng laro ni Renzo Llantero from that loss sa kanilang Albay Clasico 2.0 na yung talaga napakasakit yung that turnover from him.
Yes.
Pero he redeemed himself doon sa ating Albay Clasico 3.0.
And that one was brought to you by Inco Tools, Legazpi, Sorsogon, and Naga. And oo, tama ka, Coach. Napakaganda rin ang contribution itong si Renzo Llantero dito sa kupunan ng Daraga and the previous games that they've had mula pa doon sa semis. And right now, he's facing the Hustler. At yun, with his presence, hindi nakuha ang tamang tira nitong si Justin De La Cruz. Kaya lang, sa kampo naman nila, Aspe losing the handle. And he acknowledges his fault on that particular sequence. Ito na naman. Justin De La Cruz. Nakita si Di Guzman. Nakita niya rin si Principe from the corner. Yes! That's the Prince Daryl Principe hitting that triple. That one was brought to you by Asiano Mall Legazpi, where shopping is always affordable. Gadon mula sa free throw line. Wala. Pulangi. 32-27 po ang ating score. Lamang ang Daraga. At
Count yun. Malaking bagay yun. That's a huge shot.
and all of a sudden, and eto. Tingnan natin yung replay. Grabe. Matindi ang kumpiyansa nitong batang ito. Ang tinagurian nating the hustler, Justin De La Cruz, with that shot, inching dito sa ating sa kanilang kalaban. At ngayon, meron na lamang 3 na hinahabol itong Team Pulangi. And completing the 3-point play on the side of Pulangi, that was Justin De La Cruz. Dalawa na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Daraga. Aspe to Chope. To Caspe. Trying it from the outside once again. Yes! For JJ Caspe. That one was brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta appliances, Willie's. May sasabihin ka, Coach. Alam
JJ
ko.
Caspe is due for a big game during their last previous games. Nasa-check siya. Pero right now, Pulangi leaving him wide open. Talagang you are going to pay for it.
Yun ang nangyari. Pero meron ding tira yan si Mondragon from the outside. Kapos nga lang ang kanyang tira. He was heavily defended there. Gadon. Umatake!
Foul on number, if that foul will go to Adrian Silada.
That is going to be his third.
Oh no, it's on Justin De La Cruz. That's a lucky break for Team Pulangi.
Ayan. And we take another look. So he was fouled earlier by Justin De La Cruz. Pero ganun pa man, magbe-free throw po siya. And also completing the 3-point play is Jay Gadon.
The problem right now of Team Pulangi, you have to defend without fouling. Because right now,
that's a challenge.
Oh, because right now, tatlo na si Huffer, dalawa si Adrian. Malaking bagay yan na fouling nyo.
And Silada, nabakante na sana pero he opted to go nearer to the basket with that attack hanging in the air and he was fouled.
First foul on Jay Gadon. Adrian Silada testing or challenging the defense of Jay Gadon. Nakapulot siya doon ng foul. Alam mo yung mahirap sa isang big man. For example, let's stretch 4. Actually, Adrian Silada is playing 3 sa Manila pero right now, he is playing as stretch 4. Pagka may shooting ka sa taas, konting fake lang and a little of hesitation, talagang ko close out yun eh. Maiiwanan mo yan for that drop step. Kaya yun ang ginagawa ngayon ni Adrian Silada.
Aspe, giving it to Chope sa left. Caspe naman, may tangan na ngayon ng bola. Being guarded by De Guzman. Nakita sana si Asanya na libre doon pero nandun yung defense on the part of Pulangi.
So baliktad naman. Ngayon yung Team Daraga naman yung penalty with 5 minutes and 31 seconds left sa ating first half.
What an entertainment we are having here, Coach. Courtesy of both teams, Team Pulangi and Team Daraga. And this time out is being brought to you by Misibis Bay, your tropical island getaway. Hanggang kompletong-kompleto tayo ngayon dito sa Jump Pack.
Oo,
Albay
talagang
Astrodome.
jump pack eh. Halos
May nagtatanong kung ano daw ba yung crowd estimate dito po sa Astro.
Di ko alam.
Magtatanong din tayo.
Grabe. And I'm loving the percussion.
Yeah.
The band that is right here right now.
Nakakadagdag ng energy at nakakadagdag ng tensyon. As we take a look at Congressman Saldico, the captain of the ship, is nandito po.
Kong Pido Garbin,
Together with Kong Pido Garbin and of course, Kong Jill Bongalon.
Kong Christopher Ko, and
Oo.
Provincial Director Kunanan is
Yes.
katabi din ni Kong Pido. And Councilor Butch, kay Tito Bonnie, Birhidor.
Oo.
Andyan din.
Daming VIP po tayo ngayon dito. Of course, this is a special event. This is going to be a history dito po sa Albay. Ang Ako Bicol Cup inaugural championship game. 34-38. Apat lang po ang kalamangan ng Daraga at 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Aspe with that drop pass. Muntik nang makawala yun sa kanila. Pero nandun si Chope. Pumatake, binigay kay Aspe. Aspe, sabi niya, sandali, labas muna ako. Eto, kay Asanya ko ibibigay! And yes! Banking it in is Junald Asanya for Team Daraga.
What a court vision Aspe really have.
Ang taas ng IQ nito sa basketball ni itong batang ito.
The court vision really matters for him.
How I wish I could play like that. De Guzman beating the clock with that jumper for Team Pulangi.
In-overplay kasi ni JJ Caspi, gusto niya masungkit yung bola doon. That's why naiwanan si De Guzman wide open.
And Jay Gadon trying to hit from the outside. And now it's 2 against 1. The hustler, De La Cruz! What a shot!
Ganda nung fake niya doon sa jump step na yun while dribbling ha. Ang ganda nun.
At that one was brought to you by Inco Tools Legazpi, Sorsogon, Daga. Kung saan may Pilipino, may Inco. As we take a look at this slow-mo, look at that, coach. That's baby Euro step. Na walang nagawa doon si...
Yun ang sinasabi ni Dwayne Wade If you're gonna do a Euro step, the shoulder must join with your knees para ma-fake mo talaga siya.
And
but that's easier said than done.
And that shot from Justin De La Cruz also took extra courage. Imagine, nasa harapan mo doon ang nasa 6'5" or 6'4" na tao.
Nilabas si Adrian Silada. They are down by 2, so negative 2 in terms of efficiency si Adrian Silada. So let's see kung ano magkakaroon ba ng ibang takbo ang ating story if you're going to sit him out of the bench.
Okay, we will see. But right now it's Daraga. And that's a takeaway from Justin De La Cruz mula kay Gadon. And now, Romero giving it to Sabater. Medyo malamya yung tira doon ni Sabater.
Nilamon siya doon, ni Gadon.
Oo. Now it's Caspe. But he was fouled.
Dalawa din yan for Justin De La Cruz. Again, the foul trouble issue for Team Pulangi.
So dito magbe-benefit yung team na medyo mas malalim yung bench.
And again, nakita mo, binalik agad si Adrian Silada. You cannot afford to sit him so long sa bench mo.
Definitely. At alam yun, ni Coach Peter Encisa. Aspe. Nakita si Chope. Nakita din si Gadon. Long 2, yes!
You still have to challenge if you Team Pulangi. You don't want to give any wide open shot for Team Daraga.
Yeah, that's a rim rattler. Wala kay Jay Gadon. Well, that's Justin De La Cruz trying his range from the outside. Medyo kapos yung tirang yon.
And right now, we have 8.1 thousand viewers. Nasa second quarter pa lang tayo. Again, I guess we can definitely beat that 10,000 viewers that we got sa Ligao.
Definitely. Gadon.
Wow, nice defense on the RoboCup.
Yes, nice defense. And it's 3 against 1. Make it 4! And make that 1 count for Team Pulangi, courtesy of Justin De La Cruz. Asanya bumawi kaagad. Hindi masyadong pinatagal ni Asanya doon ang pagbawi. For Daraga, Romero giving it to Gonzalez. Almost hitting that triple. Pero nandun na ang mga miyembro ng kupunan ng Daraga. JJ Caspe losing that one. Mondragon now giving it to Romero, to Silada. Silada with Aspe in front of him, attacking the basket and fishing a foul.
Hard fall on Adrian Silada, but it's okay. Medyo he's limping.
And here we go with Adrian Silada preparing for his first shot. And sablay yung kanyang tira. Two minutes and 31 seconds. Apat pa rin po ang kalamangan ng Daraga. At ngayon, it's 3 because of that successful free throw by Adrian Silada for Team Pulangi. Ito na naman ang Team Daraga with Aspe orchestrating the play. Sayang. And the ball will remain with Daraga. Dahil sumabit sa kamay ng isang nakapula. 11 seconds on the shot clock.
Same baseline play para sa Team Daraga.
Chope. 7 seconds. Gadon, they have to shoot. And Gadon shooting. Pero he was
Well challenged on the
challenged,
part of Hafer Mondragon.
And right now it's Justin De La Cruz. Dosilada launching a triple. Malakas. Na-rebound din JJ Caspe. Tumatakbo si Asanya. With a block.
What a chase down! Pero nandun. Ernie Chope not giving up on that play.
Yes. Pero what a block. What a rejection. A chase down by Adrian Silada. And that's a good shot for the RoboCop from the corner.
Shot after shot after shot.
Action every action. Dito po sa championship game ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Aspe giving it to Chope. Chope pumailalim. What a ball game we are having here. Talagang hindi masasayang ang oras na iyong ibibigay.
Tingnan mo yun na chase down yan. Naabangan ni Adrian eh.
Oo.
Alam na alam niya kung anong gagawin ni Asanya in that layup attempt of his. And again, good credit to the effort of Ernie Chope not giving up on the play. Inahabol niya, nakuha niya yung rebound and he got the put back.
JJ Caspe! Malayong 3. Pero napunta sa kamay ni Chope. And now to Monsalve. Long 2, wala. Ito na, tumatakbo na naman ang mga taga-Pulangi. Justin De La Cruz. Gonzalez launches a 3. Romero breaking, giving it to Mondragon. Sabi ni si Mondragon, sandali. Set tayo ng play. Balik kayo mo, Romero. And what a nice shot. And giving that gesture na
You're too small.
too small for me.
You're too short.
Too short.
Hey!
But too good for Team Daraga because of this guy. Russell Dazzle.
That's the first 3-point shot
Paul
by
Aspe.
Dazzle Paul Aspe.
At malayo yung coach. 4 ang hinahabol ng Pulangi. 11 seconds sa ating second quarter. Double foul. Mukhang mayroong double foul na tatawagan. Look at that long three by Dazzle Paul Aspe. And right now,
So we have a double foul there.
and sina Jensen Monsalve at itong si Paul Romero ang natawagan sa double foul. 3 seconds to shoot para sa ating ball game, sa ating second quarter. At yan na nga po, nagtatapos ang ating unang o pangalawang yugto, ang ating first half of action dito po sa ating championship game ng inaugural season ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Atid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, nasurog pa.
Let's give it up for GRT Dancers!
Kung usapang gamit na pangbahay ay alam mo na kung saan katapat na pumunta sa ko lang yan, sa ko. Ang katuwang sa pagkumpuni, sa pagremedyo ng mga sira at paglinis ng tumi. Sa tahanan opisina ang maaasahan mo ay Inko. Oh Inko, 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 oh Inko, 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 oh Inko, 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 oh Inko, Inko.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Dakulaang nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Kasama ko na nga ngayon ang dalawang head coaches ng both teams. Walang iba kundi si Coach Tads Delgado ng Team Daraga at si Coach Peter Encisa naman ng Team Pulangi. Good evening po sa inyong dalawa. And first of all, gusto ko lang po kayo batiyan ng congratulations dahil kayo yung maswerteng teams na nakapasok dito sa ating finals. Unahin na kita, Coach Tads. What are your major strategies or core values to win the championship?
Siguro yung kuya namin is yung game plan namin dapat ma-execute namin ng tama, and then yung composure ng bawat isa sa amin, dapat ma-maintain namin yun. And then yung game of adjustment namin, doon kami nag-focus.
May gusto ko pong batiin o pasalamatan?
Binabati ko po ang lahat po na sumusuporta po dito sa AKB Cup, lalo yung mga taga-Daraga, doon po sa aming barangay, sa Bitano, and of course sa aking family, and then sa kay Mayor Awin Baldo, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa GH Bay family, and of course sa aking spiritual parents namin, si Pastor Arnold Padilla and Pastora Doris Padilla po. Magandang gabi po.
Thank you, Coach. And once again, good luck po ngayong gabi. Ikaw naman, Coach Peter. So, Coach, now that you and your team are one step closer to the victory, how did you program or motivated them for tonight's match?
Well, sinasabi ko sa kanila, ang hirap pumasok sa sa top 2 itong finals na ito. So sabi ko kanila, nagawa nila yon, so mas magagawa nila ngayong gabi para sa finals pong ito.
May gusto po ba kayong batiin or any shoutouts?
Maraming salamat po sa mga nanood dito, saka po sa mga sumusuporta po sa amin sa Team Pulangi, and also kay Mayor Ediel Salceda, kay Vice Mayor Chair Melia Sampal, and sa wife ko, parati ko pong kasama nakasupport. At yan lang po. Thank you po.
Thank you, Coach. And once again, good luck po ngayong gabi. Take it away, Coach Morgs at Coach Kyle.
But once again, Ms. Carmela Hernandez at yun po yung mga always respected na mga coaches natin in this finals game. And right now, balikan natin din itong aking kasama dito na si Coach Kyle Marilla with his thoughts sa mga kaganapan.
Yeah, both teams. Kaya ngayon, apat lang ang... This is only a 4-point ball game because of the defense of these two teams. Kanina, medyo sloppy or kaya medyo slow ang start ng Pulangi, pero definitely they pick up their ball game that they wanted. And kaya ngayon, nakabalik sila lang sa ating laban, at least trailing by only 4 points. And para naman sa Daraga, they just have to continue moving that ball well para makaputo sila, looking for that open or wide open teammates nila from the corner of the top or even in the inside game.
And at this point in time, sa start natin ng ating second half, nagkaroon ng diskusyon doon. Itong si Dazzle Aspe with the referee about the backing violation na naitawag sa kanya while inbounding.
Before that turnover, hulaan mo kung ilan ang turnovers. We have an identical turnover count with 10.
10 each. So talagang 50-50 ito para sa dalawang koponan.
Alam mo, partner, kung saan galing yung lamang ng Team Daraga?
What a move there!
Alam mo kung saan yung galing yung apat na kalamangan before that shot of Adrian Senada? Is coming from the free throw.
Free throws.
So definitely in terms of possession, we have a tie.
Oo. So unang buslo para sa Team Pulangi sa pag-start natin ng ating second half. And right now, ayan na naman si Justin De La Cruz, pero he was heavily guarded there and he was stopped. Sa kabilang banda, Aspe giving it to Asanya, pero nandun yung depensa ni Haber Mondragon, the Robocop ng ating liga. Gonzalez, or rather that's De Guzman hitting a big shot from the corner.
This is the first time that Pulangi will be leading in our ball game.
And that one was brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta Appliances, Willie's. Ayan na naman, a takeaway for Pulangi. At biglang umingay ang mga Pulangenyos dito po sa loob ng Albay Astrodome. Nakakalamang na sila ng 3 puntos. Asanya. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Wala pang makita until now, pero nandun si Chope at Gadon losing that one. Anong kailangan? Time out.
Right now, wala pa naman. You don't need to call off for a timeout if you're Coach Stats Delgado. Nabalikan ka lang ng 2 puntos. And again, you just have to get this stop and move the ball well. Kasi nag-stuck ang bola. Nagiging stagnant ang opensa ng Team Daraga in the start of our third quarter.
Mondragon to Silada. Balik din sa kanya. Sa top of the key, hesitation. And right now, naagaw ng ang bola ni Dazzle Paul Aspe. And he was fouled.
Number 30, Justin De La Cruz. That's his third. First team foul. 2 shots for Dazzle Paul Aspe.
And Aspe making the first one count after he has been fouled while going strong to the hoop. And second one is also counted, of course. Magandang hello po. Pagbati sa mga taga-Binitayan Relocation na grabe ang nanonood ngayon doon sa Anislag. Pinapag-greet kayo ng aking anak, Jerjim Alec Madronio. Enjoy kayo dyan. Ayun na naman ang mga taga-Pulangi. Romero giving it to De Guzman. At doon, na-blanca pa itong si Romero. Sa kabilang banda naman, ang Daraga. At merong contact, merong foul na tatawagan.
Another foul for Paul Romero.
Number 4, Paul Romero. second team foul. All decision,
And hello kay Mr. Vincent Okbina. Magandang hello sa iyo, Vincent Okbina. 51-52. What a close game sa ating championship. Aspe. Pinato yung bola. And
Sakit ka pa.
making his
Lucky break yun for
Oh.
Dazzle Paul. Medyo may tulak siya doon kay Prinsipe. Hindi lang nakita ng ating referee.
kaya
Napunta
nahulog
sa kanya yung bola.
nahulog sa kanya yung bola. Pero grabe yung concentration na binibigay niya. Mondragon naman! Launching a triple, wala! At ito tumatakbo ang mga taga-daraga.
Sobrang lakas
That's a
doon.
long pass and a strong pass from JJ Caspe to Gadon.
And balik sa Daraga ang Kalamangan. This is only a 1-point ball game.
Yes. De Guzman. To De La Cruz. Now to Mondragon. Celada. Attacking the basket. Nope. At eto na naman, tumatakbo ang mga taga-daraga. Chope! Mondragon. Naibigay. Buti na lang, nakita niya na nandun si Prinsipe. De Guzman. To Celada. Short.
Again, Team Pulangi, they went for that outside shot. They can go strong to the hole. Pero
Oo.
syempre, kung open naman ng ganun si Sinada, you can give him.
Oh, what a lucky break for De La Cruz. And that's another great shot from this hustler of Team Pulangi. In front of him is a 6.4 guy. Gadon. Walang respeto yon. And that one was brought to you by Inco Tools Legazpi, Sorsogon, Naga.
That's unfair. Justin De La Cruz challenging the defense of Jay Gadon. At meron pa siyang end one play.
Hindi niya nirespeto ang malaking mama na nasa harapan niya.
Sinasabi ko kanina that before that shot of Justin De La Cruz, the last sequence, they can go for that strong. Pero they opted to go for the Celada because Celada is open in that right corner.
Yun nga lang, hindi na naibuslo ni Celada from the corner yung kanyang open three-pointer. Babawi naman si Gadon. Wala. Rebound. The RoboCop.
That's a bad shot if you're Jay Gadon. You have to get your post play and your post offense dito sa laban, especially after Mondragon with 3 fouls.
I've noticed na pumuposte na ngayon si Celada. The Prince Daryl Prinsipe. And that's a quick two-pointer for Team Daraga from Aspe to Aspe. Now it's Justin De La Cruz!
Through the needle, Justin De La Cruz.
Squeezing it in for Pulangi.
What a game.
What a gutsy guy here. Renzo De La Cruz. Llantero.
11 seconds on the shot
At sino na naman yung dahilan para maibalik sa kanila ang bola? Again, Ernie Chope doing damage in that 50-50 ball and those hustle plays.
So napakalaking factor talaga nitong si Ernie Chope when it comes to saving those rebound, securing those for his team talaga. Look at that now, and the putback!
Siya na naman yun. And right now, kinuha niya na. Pumutos na si Ernie Chope. And we have a deadlock right now.
Tuwag-tuwa yung anak ko, si Jerjim Alec. Who's watching right now. At marami pong natutuwa talaga sa larong ito. De Guzman! No! Pero nandun si Prinsipe sana. At napakabilis na take away ni Justin De La Cruz. Pero kasama ang palad, nasa Daraga na naman po ang bola. Sinigurado na yun ni JJ Caspe. Kahit nandun sa harapan niya, si Justin De La Cruz. 57-59 po ang ating score. Lamang ang Daraga ng dalawa.
Gandang pikit na naman yun
Oo.
ni JJ Caspi. Hindi niya na dinrap kay Lentero. Siniguro niya na yon.
Because nasa momentum na din siya. And we have a report from Carmela sa courtside. Miss Carmela.
And right now, for our third quarter, sobrang dikit ang labanan dito sa Albay Astrodome sa pagitan ng Daraga versus Pulangi. And according to Coach Peter Encisa, they will more focus on their ball rotation and especially in their defense dahil yun lang ang mas kailangan nila right now. And para mas mapadali ang pag-adjust nila sa gabing ito, balik sa inyo Coach Morgs at Coach Kyle.
Maraming salamat, Miss Carmela Hernandez. Nagbabalik po kami, ang inyong mga abang lingkod, Papa Morgan and Coach Kyle Marilla, dito po sa ating matinding bakbakan. This is because it's the championship game between Pulangi at ng Daraga.
Amazing! We have 10,000 viewers right now, beating the record. And dadagdagan pa yan nila, maya-maya.
Mga nasa 12 na yan. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing the link sa iba pang mga Bicolano. Hindi na mga Bicolano, lahat ng mga Pilipino na enthusiast at interesado sa mga ganitong klaseng bakbakan, laro ng basketball, quality ball game that we're having right now dito po sa loob ng Albay Astrodome, Legazpi City. Mondragon with Gadon in front of him. Celada stepping back.
Nilinis yung
Muntik
ring.
na!
Lumuwa lang.
Oo. 3 minutes, 16 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Aspe, sabi niya, sandali, ako na magmamanage. With Principe in front of him. Pumingin ng screen kay Chope. At tumira ng tres! Yes! Yes! That one was brought to you by Shadow Mall Legazpi, where shopping is always affordable.
That shot is sick. Oh
Definitely.
my God. Napakalayong tira.
And we seldom see Aspe making those shots or taking those shots actually. And right now, binigay naman niya sa kanyang kakampi, Caspe! Pero wala. Mapunta pa rin ang bola sa mga taga-Daraga.
That's the right call.
Look at that replay. Bang!
Again, that screen is a decoy for Aspe to take the shot. The moment na yung depensa ni Principe, nag-hesitate siya if Aspe will going to drive or we going to take that shot. And again, good recognition on Dazzle Paul Aspe in his steal. Doon sa gustong gawin ni Celada, alam niya na merong tao sa likod niya. And that's why, the moment na Celada passes the ball, alam niya, deflected well.
Yes. Maganda rin na Aspe is taking those kind of shots. An extra courage para sa kanya. Being patient with the offense. Hindi masyadong nagmadali. Inantay talaga yung screen na gusto niyang mangyari from Chope on that particular play. Balik na po ang pupunan ng Daraga. Ganun din ang pupunan ng Pulangi para maipagpatuloy itong bakbakan na ito. 2.30 remaining sa ating third quarter. 62 Daraga, 57 Pulangi. Maraming salamat po for watching dito sa loob ng Jam-Pack Albay Astrodome at pati na rin ang ating FB viewers, Jam-Pack din because of the 10,000 live views that we're having. Gonzales, Dosalting. Merong foul na itawag. And that's gonna be for Dazzle Paul Aspe.
That's the second personal foul of Dazzle Paul Aspe. And right now, they are leading by 5 points.
Buti na lang itong si Dazzle Paul, hindi siya masyadong prone sa pa-fouls. Ano, Coach?
Oo. Kasi hindi siya masyadong dikit dun sa defender eh. He is waiting for the pass. Yun ang nagiging strategy niya from the day 1 of this Ako Bicol Cup. alam niya, the high anticipation of Dazzle Paul Aspe is so tremendous. Kasi alam niya kung kailan ipapasa eh. Yun ang inaabangan niya, that passing lane. He is denying the passing lane.
Is it because dahil isa din siyang passer? Alam
Oo,
niya.
siguro mararamdaman mo din yun. The moment na nag-pass, kanina kung makikita natin yung last sequence during that pass of Silada, alam niya na mag-no-look pass si Adrian Silada dun sa likod niya. Kaya nga na-deflect niya yung pass eh. That's the IQ of this guy.
Yes.
2 minutes.
Isa sa may pinakamataas na IQ dito sa ating basketball IQ dito sa ating liga.
Oh my God, siguro na-beat na natin yung record. 10.5K viewers.
At ayan na naman si Russell Dazzle. Binigay kay Llantero sa labas. Llantero, lumapit ng konti, pero nandun si Gadon to save the day for Renzo Llantero. Ano na yung views natin? Nila na ba yan?
10,000.5.
Ibang klase. Pambihira yan, coach. Mondragon, to Salting. To Laguna. May pinali kay Salting. Dumiretso with his left hand.
Walang help doon. Aspe is expecting from a help doon sa kanilang last line of defense. Kaya nakalusot doon si Salting with his left layup.
Pero parang hindi nila inaasahan na lulusot itong Patrick na ito eh. 5-point lead, 64-59. We are under a minute to go. Pasok! Counted pa ang tinang yon ni Russell Dazzle, Paul Aspe. As we take a look at the slow-mo. Look at that. What a play.
And for the shot for Dazzle Paul Aspe.
Grabe yung confidence itong batang to. From that, narinig ko nga kanina during that interview of him kay Carmela na kung gaano sila frustrated because of that 2 straight losses na nakuha nila papasok to the Sweet 6 warfare. And right now, he is definitely redeeming himself dito sa ating finals.
At ayan na naman ang steal.
That will be an unsportsmanlike foul. That's a bad decision on Patrick Salting. He dragged down the waist of Dazzle Paul Aspe. That's an obvious call.
It's going to be an unsportsmanlike foul.
Yeah. That will be huge.
Ang klase ang performance. Nag-level up pa ang performance ng bawat player natin dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Finals.
Right now, another milestone, 11,000 viewers!
Wow.
Oh my God!
What
Goosebumps all over my body.
What a record. 11K viewers, live viewers sa ating Facebook Live. Maraming salamat po. Again, kasama niyo po si Kapa Morgan with Coach Kyle Marilla and sa tulong na din ni Miss Carmela Hernandez mula sa courtside for the coverage of these very interesting, very exciting ball game, which is the championship match between Daraga and Pulangi.
14 seconds on the shot.
Again, there's no tomorrow because this is a knockout game. Whoever wins this ball game will be declared as the champion and will take home a whopping 200,000 pesos cash. Merong foul. Offensive foul will be called.
On number 60, Johnson Gonzalez. That's his fourth.
That's for
team foul.
Called for that foul is Jensen Monsalve.
So this is the biggest lead right now of the ball game. 9-point lead for the team Daraga with 30 seconds to go sa ating third quarter.
Magandang hapon, Mr. Mike Marchan. Ganun din kay Sir Almond Lisa. Right now, it's Justin De La Cruz giving it to Silada. Cannot hit that 3-point shot this time. Medyo napatulis niya ng konti yun. Taspe. At 6 seconds,
Layong tira!
almost!
Layo nun.
Grabe! And he knows he has to throw that one out because yun na nga, patapos na ang ating third quarter action. Daraga, 68, Pulangi, 59. Again, ito po ay hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Natabang na, nasurog pa. Magbabalik po ang final quarter ng ating championship match dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
And here we go with the final quarter of this championship match between Daraga and Pulangi. And shout out sa McDonald's Legazpi dyan sa Gregorian, lalong-lalo na kay ex-councilor Alan Ranyola ang nagbigay po sa atin ng ating snacks.
Salamat po
for this match. Maraming salamat, Sir Alan Ranyola and McDonald's Gregorian. Ito na, Renzo Liantero. Umikot! Tumira! Wala!
Sorry
Makakuha
miss
ngayon.
for Renzo Liantero. Ang gandang pihit yon.
Makakuha ngayon. At ito na nga ang mga taga-Pulangi. Justin De La Cruz launching a triple. Wala. Rebound. Albaitar for Team Daraga. JJ Caspe. Binigay kay Gadon. Gadon. Balik kay Caspe. Umatake! But he was
At
fouled.
nakakuha siya ng foul kay Hafer Mondragon, and that is fourth.
At apat na ang foul ni Robocop Hafer Mondragon. Napakamot itong malaking mamang ito.
Yeah, he's saying na dapat tumawag daw yung nasa baseline na referee. But covered pa rin naman yun na nasa sideline.
Oo.
And doon na naman nag-start yung action eh.
Pero dapat hindi na na-foul yun, di ba? Kasi talagang way off the mark na itong si
Dapat hindi na siya nag-foul.
Oo. Itong si JJ Caspe. Napansin mo, tumama na lang yun sa edge ng board.
You have to give credit on JJ Caspe on selling that foul.
Oo. Right now, it's Silada with the ball for Pulangi. At we take a look. Itong box score natin. Yung mga scores natin from first quarter, second quarter, and third quarter. Pulangi versus Daraga.
Ayan, patuloy from the first and the third. Lamang pa rin ang Team Daraga. Hindi pa nakakaalagwa ng maayos ang Pulangi. They just only led once with 1 point lead dito sa ating ball game.
So will they lead dito sa final quarter natin? Yan ang ating aabangan. Pero right now, mapupunta naman sa mga Daraga ang bola. Aspe! Nakita si Traveling. He took so many steps, sabi ng referee. And right now, Pulangi aatake. Justin De La Cruz. Sobra yung tira pero mukhang merong foul.
Merong hand check na naman.
Oo.
Foul on number 23, Jay Gano. That is fourth. First team foul.
Wala pang 2 minuto po ang napupunsumo natin dito sa ating fourth quarter
Early champion
of this championship match.
2 shots for Justin De La Cruz.
Sabi ko na kanina during our pregame, wala ka na dapat ito tinatagong baraha. You have to put up all, you have to show all your cards right now. Definitely dito sa side ng Team Pulangi right now. And nilalamangan kayo ng 11 puntos. Kailangan mo ilabas kung ano ang natatago mo pa dyan. Kasi kung hindi, mababaw ka na ng tuluyan.
All those cards, you have to lay it down. Yantero. Yantero. Mag-accelerate, umikot. Trying to find somebody down. Pero iba yung napuntahan ng bola. Si De La Cruz ng Pulangi. And still missing from those transition plays. Now it's Aspe. Tumatakbo. Binigay kay Albaytar. Wala. And right now, easy shot for Haber Mondragon.
Mukhang nakakaramdam na rin ng pagod si Hafer Mondragon.
Sino ang tatagal?
Matira ang matibay.
Matira ang matibay. Magcha-champion ang mas matibay. Aspe or Caspe waving.
Oh, he's asking for a clear out.
Stepping back, shooting a 3. Nope, malakas yung tira. Mapupunta ngayon ang bola sa mga nakamaroon.
Constitution, Jonah Zaya for Red Zone, Devil.
7 po ang hinahabol ng Pulangi at 7 na rin lang ang natitira sa ating ball game. 7 minuto. De La Cruz will give it to Silada. Gonzalez to Romero, attacking the basket, but nope. They just can't find the spot. Napansin ko, partner, medyo hirap. Pupuntos ngayon ang Pulangi. Grabe na yung pressure na nararamdaman nila at this point in time. Pero grabe din, matindi rin ang kanyang eagerness to win this ball game. To be crowned as the first Ako Bicol Cup champion. I'm talking about Pulangi. Pero ganun din naman ang Daraga na lumalamang sa mga oras na ito. Silada giving it down low to Mondragon.
Good recognition on the part of Adrian Silada. Nakita niya na mayroong mismatch sa ilalim. Mondragon ceiling with Asanya at pinuntahan din naman kaagad nila.
Romero finds Mondragon outside at 12 seconds to shoot. Celada finally making the triple.
That's the same shot that he made. And he took dun sa ligaw.
Oo.
Almost the same.
That epic 3-point shot was brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta Appliances, Willie's. Hello, Beds. Aspe almost making that long triple once again. Pero ito na naman si Justin De La Cruz. Woo! Wala! Nasapa lang. Naka-escape sana siya sa defense ni Aspe.
Grabe yung effort ni Justin De La Cruz. Pero same effort to JJ Caspe not giving up on that play.
That's a help defense on the part of JJ Caspe. Mondragon! Power move, power play, power shot. From Mr. Power, the RoboCop himself, Haber Mondragon. JJ Caspe, umatake! Yes!
Hindi nasasabay dyan si Hafer Mondragon because he has already 4 fouls on his head.
That's a big play also on the part of Daraga. Now it's Justin De La Cruz. To Silada. Silada launching another triple. Yes, again! That's 2 consecutive 3-pointers from Adrian Silada. He is hot.
Kailangan mo na makontain si Adrian Silada. If your team Daraga, you're just only leading by 1 point. And Silada drilling 2 3-pointers.
So isa na lang po ang lamang ng Daraga. At yun, nakuha pa mula sa kamay ni Asanya ang bola. Romero! Wala!
Sorry, miss there for Team Pulangi. Namintis na yung bola at nagbigay pa siya ng foul out of frustration because of, he missed that shot.
He knows na napaka-importante yung tirang yon. Pero nandun si Dazzle Aspe ready to take the rebound.
Nakita mo yung ginawa ni Aspe doon. That is a sagging defense. Hindi siya lumapit kay Justin De La Cruz. He is reading what Justin De La Cruz will going to do. And the challenge on that Romero shot is there for Aspe. Kaya nga iniba ni Romero yung kanyang tira doon. And eventually he misses the shot.
And ang masama pa doon, nakakuha pa siya ng foul. Nakakomit pa siya ng foul. So, good play na naman for Russell Dazzle Aspe.
But again, credit to the effort of Romero and De La Cruz. They badly needed a shot. And yun nga lang, talagang nadepensahan sila ng maayos. And at ang masakit doon, I guess that's the third one. That's the third personal foul of Paul Romero.
Yes, we're having this championship game between Pulangi and Daraga. Nakuha pa rin ng mga taga-Pulangi ang bola after that miss from Justin De La Cruz. Gonzalez from the corner. A tip in by the RoboCop. Hafer Mondragon making that lead sa ball game na to dito sa ating fourth quarter. 4 minutes and 22 seconds ang natitira. Nakalamang na po ang Pulangi. Again with that tip in.
No, that will be a 3-point shot. That's not a tip from Mondragon. I was shocked as well. So, dalawa na ang kalamangan ng Pulangi.
At yun!
Gawin mo pang-apat.
That's a big shot. Those are big shots for Team Pulangi.
So again, this is 76-7. 2-4 na ang kalamangan ng Pulangi.
So ano? At meron pang foul. Si Aspe. Kakayanin pa nila ang pressure sa ganitong sitwasyon na sila na ngayon ang nalalamangan with the clock going down.
This team Daraga has been here before. They know the pressure, they know what it takes. And alam nila kung ano ang pinaglalabanan nila dito. So right now, you just have to settle down if you're Team Daraga and if you're Team Pulangi naman. Again, yung momentum is starting to shift on your side. Kailangan mo nang i-seize yung momentum na yon. Do your game and defend well.
Defend well. And yan, talking about defending well. Narinig tayo ni Hafer Mondragon.
Bago ang lahat, we have 12,000.5K viewers. 12.5K. Oh my God.
That's a milestone once again for Ako Bicol Cup. Mondragon, pinunggit ang ring. Wala, nandun ang kanyang kakampi. Prinsipe, nasa kanila uli ang possession. They have a chance na mas madagdagan pa ang kalamangan with Silada. going strong. Pero, merong foul. Chope was fouled after that strong move to the basket ni Celada. We have a ball game.
That shot of Gonzalez was big. I thought it will be counted as just the tip of Mondragon, pero sabi ng mga referee na hindi naman nahawakan ni Mondragon yung bola, bumalik lang talaga sa ring. So that will be a 3-point shot.
Kasi delikado din yon kung nahawakan ni Mondragon. Pwedeng maging offensive goaltending yon. And Celada missing on that.
Lucky break for Team Daraga with the miss of Team Adrian Celada.
They're now leading by 4. At 3 minutes, 4 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Celada making that one.
100 away for a 13,000. Right now, another milestone, 13,000 viewers.
Grabe.
Oh my God.
Now, JJ Caspe giving it to Renzo Llantero. And that's a good move on the part of Llantero.
So that's a bad development on the part of Team Pulangi, because that's the 4th personal foul of Justin De La Cruz right now. They have 3 players with foul trouble. Justin De La Cruz, Hammer Mondragon, and Adrian Celada. 2 minutes and 50 seconds, mahaba pa to. Marami pang mangyayari dito.
Right now, Renzo Llantero is on the hot seat with this pressure free throws. After the first miss and missing another one, that will hurt Daraga. And now, eto na naman ang Pulangi ang atake. Justin De La Cruz.
Pulangi leading by 5 points right now.
Mondragon setting this play. Celada may tangan ng bola. 6 to shoot. Tumira ng malayong 3! Wala! Nakuha ng mga taga-Daraga. Renzo Llantero nakita na nasa unahan si Gadon. And that's
And Celada is down on the floor.
And that one is
Celada is down on the floor right now. I don't know what happened. Let's take a look at that replay.
Yes, we'll take a look at that one.
Oh! That will be hurt. Hindi intentionally. Nakatalikod si Gadon when he fall down. At mukhang nabagsakan niya yung kanyang
tuhod yun.
tuhod.
And that's grabe.
Let's take a look at it again. The replay of that last sequence. Masakit yun. Nabagsakan yung kanyang tuhod doon ng likod ni Gadon. Gadon not knowing na nandun si Celada. Oo, yun na nga nangyari doon. At mukhang upuan pa yung kanyang paa.
I think that overstretch. Pag contact, nag-overstretch yung kanyang tuhod at masakit yan.
Well, on my view, that's not intentional because
that is not intentional.
Jay Gadon, he doesn't know na merong tao dun sa likod niya when he fell down.
Pabagsak din siya eh. Yung momentong ng katawan niya pabagsak din eh. While si Celada naman approaching. Sayang for Celada. We just hope na he's good.
Look at this crowd. They are cheering for Adrian Celada. This is, kung hindi niyo po nalalaman, Adrian Celada is an import for the Team Pulangi, but the people of Pulangi is loving him already because of the way he play.
And we can see naman that he's a humble guy.
Yeah.
Diyan hindi nga maganda yung naging tama nitong si Adrian Celada as we saw him being dragged down Actually, binuhat na siya ng ating mga medics papalabas ng court.
What's the milestone kanina? 13,000?
Yes.
We are 100 away for a 14,000 viewers. Oh my God! Wow, almost 15,000 eh.
Dapat may
We
bonus.
still have 2 minutes and 16 seconds left on our game clock.
Dapat may bonus tayo dyan. And now,
back to our action.
Polangi without Adrian Silada at 2 minutes sa ating ball game. And sorry, rebound for Daraga. We are now at the last 2-minute mark. Tatlo po ang lamang ng Polangi kontra Daraga. Prinsipe.
Shot clock violation.
Nabutan sila ng shot clock violation.
Okay.
1 minute and 47 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. 77-74. This is the championship battle between, again, Daraga and Polangi. JJ Caspe. They have to make this one out. Good fight there. And
Sorry miss for
Sorry,
Renzo
miss.
Leantero. Ang ganda nung cut niya doon.
ganda rin yung sana yung tira niya. Hindi nga lang na tumbok ang tamang angulo because of siguro the defense na nandoon. Now the RoboCop to De La Cruz. De La Cruz penetrates. Yes! Aspe now with the ball. Being hounded by Principe. And the ball will go to Team Polangi. Good hustle on the part of the guy with this red hair. Daryl the Prince Principe.
You are not going to wear a hair like that if you are not going to play big in the finals.
Yes. Talagang sabi nga natin may statement yan. And right now, Daraga is in big problem. Because lumalamang na po ang Polangi sa kanila. And the clock is winding down. Again, ito po ang makasaysayang championship game.
Partner, right now, 1 minute and 4 seconds. If you are Team Daraga, you just have to need to get a stop from this possession and to score a point. You don't need right now a 3-point shot. Just go strong to the hole. And again, umasa ka na makakuha ka ng another stop.
That's what they need. Pero meron na rin sana silang opportunity kanina with that one from Renzo Leantero, but just couldn't find the right angle nga. And hopefully, sa pagbabalik nitong ating action, makuha na nila ang tamang angulo at makapuntos. We're talking about Team Daraga, but the possession now will be for Polangi. 1 minute, 4 seconds remaining, 14 to shoot for Team Polangi. Ano ang kanilang gagawin sa play nito? We will see. Romero inbounding to Gonzalez, to Justin De La Cruz, being hounded by Chope. De La Cruz, dumire-diretso, binigay kay Romero, dishing it out to Mondragon, throwing a 3-point shot. Medyo kapusong tira. Ito na mga Daraga. Chope! And that one was brought to you by Willie and Sons.
This is a 3-point ball game.
Willie's, yes, it's just a 3-point game. 39 seconds. Romero giving it to Hafer Mondragon with two guys in front of him. Gonzalez to Romero. Romero umatake, nahirapan doon, pero nakabalik sa kanya bola. 24-second shot clock violation.
20 seconds left on our clock, so shot clock will be off. But Team Daraga will be calling for a timeout. 76-79, a 3-point ball game with 20 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. If they're going to opt to inbound the ball from the baseline, definitely shot clock will be off. But if they're going to inbound the ball from the sideline, 14 seconds pa, may 6 seconds pang matitira dito sa ating laban. But right now, if you are Team Daraga, the question, are you going to strong to the hole and try to fish a foul and score from the free throw line? Or you can go for the 3-point shot?
We will see kung ano ang desisyon nitong ating we have a 15.1k viewers sa ating live feed sa Facebook.
Grabe. Oh, just imagine how many viewers or live audience we have here. And same goes sa aming online TV. Oh my God.
Can anybody determine kung ilan ang capacity nitong Albay Astrodome?
But right now, this is an important possession for the Team Daraga if they wanna win for the championship. But if you are Team Pulangi, one more stop and you're going to take home the bacon.
What a bacon. And now, Daraga will have a chance.
Same inbound play. Expect Pispis will be popping out to the corner. I'm not wrong.
Pispis there. Aspe.
Big shot! What a shot! What a shot! Oh my God! But this is not yet finished. 11 seconds.
Yes, 11 seconds.
Anything can happen. Oh my God!
Wow!
Woo!
Masasabi ba nating swerte na lang yun? Or talagang it's destined?
I'm
Or
so
it
pumped
is
up.
because of the talent of this guy, Russell Dazzle Paul Aspe.
All of this crowd deserves what is happening in this ball game together with those live audience, online viewers natin. Woo!
Yes, indeed. Hindi po sayang ang oras na ibinigay nyo.
But right now, if you are Team Daraga, you don't have time to celebrate right now. You have to get a one more stop. Kasi ang laban ngayon dito for Team Pulangi, it's either you're going to go for that overtime or you're going to win.
So
kailangan i-take mo ang last shot.
Will there be an extension of this championship matchup?
If you're going to ask me if I want an extension, definitely yes.
Hindi na bali, bawalan tayo ng boses. Back to the ball game at 11.49. It's going to be Pulangi's ball.
Chasing victory, chasing great, and who will be the one who will chase that two words?
Yes, victory and greatness.
Another milestone, 16,000. Pero abantayin natin this last possession, maybe the last possession of our ball game with Gonzalez inbounding the ball.
We will see. Again, the final 11 seconds in regulation. Mondragon. With Silada, back to the ball game now. Silada, trying to hit that triple.
Yes! What a shot!
What a shot! By Silada! Adrian Silada at nakuha pa nila yung bola. We have a champion!
We have a champion! What a shot!
Grabe!
By Adrian Silada! Oh my God! Let's take a look at that replay. The rainbow from Adrian Silada, nothing but the bottom of the net.
A deja vu! Ginawa na niya yan dati. And now, for the big shot, for the championship shot of his life.
What a ball game we had witnessed. Oh my God, this is not just about the number of viewers.
Both teams talagang nag-step up, nag-level up dito sa championship match natin. We are commending Team Daraga in their efforts, lalong-lalo na si Russell Dazzle Aspe with that big shot also.
If we're going to take a look at our replay in that last shot of Adrian Silada, makikita natin na hindi na nakahabol si Jay Gadon on that switch. Probably they will be going for that switch. Pero that is good screen of RoboCop, leaving Adrian Silada wide open to hit that 3-point shot, the ballooning rainbow shot.
What a big shot from that big injury sana kanina na nakita natin after that collision with Jay Gadon.
Oh my
Oh
God,
my
what a ball game.
Only here sa Ako Bicol Cup. Ako, talagang hirap na akong huminga at this point in time. Grabe! Woo! And ito po ang ating final score. Pulangi winning in our first ever Ako Bicol Cup competition with a score of 82. At Daraga naman, merong 79.
Yeah, this is a big time win for the team Pulangi. Why big time? Nakabawi ka na sa Daraga, maiuwi mo pa ang kampyonato.
Ibang klase. Congratulations sa team ni Coach Peter and Sisa.
And of course,
I need the water, Coach.
again, what an excellent Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
What a display of talents with experience from these 18 teams na naglaban-laban para po sa trophy, championship trophy, and that whopping 200,000 pesos na papremyo po atid sa inyo ng Ako Bicol Party List. Of course, headed by our captain, Congressman Saldico, Coach Jill Bongalon, and everybody. Lloyd Rivera as our commissioner. Mga kasama natin sa technical side. Lahat po naging parte ng napakagandang presentation ng isang liga dito po sa ating lugar, sa Albay. And we are very proud. Hindi naman sa nagyayabang tayo, Coach, but we are really proud that we are a part of this big event happening right now. Kapa Morgan po with Coach Kyle Marilla.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Huwag po kayong aalis because the awarding ceremony will be next. And of course, thank you very much sa 16,000 viewers. Oh my God, from 10,000, we beat them by almost half, 16,000. The record so far of the most views of our Ako Bicol Cup. Again, thank you very much. Mamaya makikita natin ang buong production of this Ako Bicol Cup. Magbabalik po kami para sa awarding ceremony.
Yes, and we will be having DJ Casey, Josa Casey, and Kapatid Nathan who will be hosting the awarding ceremonies. And mamaya, may pakonsuelo pa tayo. Abangan niyo po yan, ang mga sorpresa dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup.
Kung usapang gamit na pangbahay ay alam mo na kung saan katapat na pumunta. Sain ko lang yan, sain ko. Ang katuwang sa pagkumpuni, sa pagremedyo ng mga sira at paglinis ng tumi. Sa tahanan o pisina ang maaasahan mo ay inko. Oh inko, 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 oh inko, inko, inko.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya, o kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal na hahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol, Tabang ora mismo. Hatod sa ito Kanako Bicol Party List, Asimkan Action Call Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
Aram ko lang kay Vicky, humanda ka Vicky sa ko. Tababang no katudurugin kita.
Lahat po ng sinabi nila, walang katotohanan.
Wala naman sila doon nang pumupunta sa bahay namin ang magulang niya.
Kung di sa Baskaran, wala kitisyon din. Nampagitan na sa amon, mga sabi ito na sana.
Kung di sana nagadag sa akin, kunay man ako sa iyo magad sa pinto.
Ako Bicol na, ito ay atin. Sa court ipakita ang iyong galing. Ako Bicol na, ito ay atin. Ito ay atin. Wow, 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 wow. Ito ay atin.
Ayan, talaga naman, isa sa mga inaabangan ngayon, just sa case, siyempre, ang ating Mythical 5.
Yun.
Siyempre, ang isa sa mga...
MVP din.
Yes, the most prestigious award ngayong gabing to, the most valuable player of the season.
Yun. At syempre, Kapitan Nathan, after the awarding, we would like to invite everyone to stay kasi meron tayong concert. Makakasama natin si Glock 9
and Shanty Dope live na live magpe-perform dito sa Albay Astrodome pagkat ito ay siyempre double celebration to, Josie Casey.
Siyempre kasi, di ba, we're also celebrating, actually post-birthday celebration of Kong Zaldico. Ayan, belated happy birthday!
Happy birthday po. Ayan, boss. Alright.
Alright, so eto Kapitan Nathan, wag na nating patagalin pa. I would like to call in Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda to give his message.
Palaban naman natin Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda. Kong Ninong. Let's go.
Ayan, Nino, si Kong Ninong.
Diyos maray na banggi po sa Indugabos. Sarong banggi ning dakulang kaugmahan. Asing sarong banggi ning dakulang paglaom. Dahil sa ngarang kan sports, nagkasararo ang albayano. Kung ano kuman po ang oportunidad na ini, tangani pong tawan ng galang, asin yun buena, ang birthday po, kansaro, na ang pinakapoderosong congressman sa bilog na Pilipinas, warang iba, ang sadirita, sinda, ika, kita, walang iba kundi ang chairman ng Committee on Appropriations, Congressman Saldico. Kaya sa indo po kabos, salamat sa indong partisipasyon. Bako po ang panggana ang importante nagpartisipar kita kabos. Thank you very much and magirilingan sa susunod.
Thank you very
Thank you so much. Second District Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, maraming salamat. And now, tawagin natin Kapitan Nathan, the man behind Ako Bicol Cup 2022, none other than Congressman Zaldi Co.
Palaban naman natin.
Well, nakulaon kaugmahan. First time ko magiling, pero permi ako nasa Facebook. Grabe sa laban kasubanggi. Mas lalo palang grabe yung yan. And kami naugma sa Ako Bicol na nakapagpaugma sa Indo. And ako nagpapasalamat dahil nagpartisipar gabos ang satuyang mga mayors, especially si Kong Joey Salceda. Akala ko naghali na kasubago. Kang nanggana sa Pulanggi, nakabalik bigla. Yan ang satuyang congressman, si Congressman Joey Salceda. At any rate, papasalamat ako sa organizers, headed by si Lloyd, si Ino, sa iyang mga team, no? Sa satuyang mga maray na mga players, and satuyang mga moderators, sabi, mga pang PBA, pang MBA, and we have a good quality from the Ako Bicol Online TV, marayang sa indang mga camera, and we have the slow motion. Of course, hopefully, kami, in 2 years, we'll have, magkaigwa po kitang mas dakulang gymnasium, Sudom. Gusto din doon magkaigwa kitang mas dakula para gabos makalaog. No? We'll shout out sa, so, sayang man kang oportunidad na tinaw sa tuya. So, ang plano ni Kong Joey, maglag sa bawat munisipyo para magkaigwa kitang every municipality, magkaigwang convention center. But most of all, magkaigwa kitang sarang dakula para sa Albay. No? Hopefully, madoblita ang kapasidad para sa mga susunod na taon medyo mas magayon ang satuya. Anyway, di ko na paghalo yun. Salamat sa Indo. Ako, nahiling ko lang kamong maugma. Maugma na kita gabos, na kita nagkasararo and nagkaigwa kimarayo. Hopefully, by next year, ang plano kang team, kang Ako Bicol Cup sa buong Bicol, kikibuhon tapo ini. Again, salamat sa Indo gabos.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Congressman Zaldi Co.
Maraming salamat, boss.
Okay, so we would like to request, ayan, ang ating mga congressman, ayan, Kong.
Kong, dito na po tayo.
And of course, the participating LGUs for the awarding of Certificate of Appreciation.
Sa lahat po ng mga LGUs na nakasama natin for Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Atin to. And mamaya-maya, abangan nyo ang awarding ng Mythical 5 Best Import. And syempre ang ating MVP for Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Atento! Here we go.
And now, for the second place, Legazpi Team.
Palabangan po natin our second place.
They will be receiving 100,000 pesos from Ako Bicol Party List and 5,000 pesos from Governor Grex Lagman.
Once again, congratulations to our
Team
second
Legazpi.
Team Legazpi. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan po natin a resounding a round of applause para sa Team Legazpi.
Once again, Kapitan Nathan, they will be receiving 100,000 pesos from Ako Bicol Party List.
All right, here we go with the Team Legazpi. Congratulations. Ayan na. Ibinibigay na ang 100,000 pesos from Ako Bicol Party List.
Once again, congratulations, Team Legazpi.
There you go with our second place team. Team Legazpi.
Okay, so right now we will be having a photo opportunity together with Team Legazpi.
Once again, we're live actually sa Ako Bicol official Facebook page.
At syempre kasama niyo po ang Tambalang.
Tambalang Jokap, Jose Casey.
And Kapitan Nathan.
Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga Albayanos dito po sa Albay Astrodome.
Grabe.
Live na nanonood.
Nawala ang boses ko kanina dahil hindi ko alam kung kanino ako sisigaw.
Grabe talaga ang labanan kanina ng Pulanggi at ng Daraga.
Yes,
Once
sir.
again, there you have it. Our second place, Team Legazpi. Congratulations.
Alright.
Para sa mga boss.
And now, for our first place.
Here we go with our first place.
Team Daraga!
Team Daraga! Magkagiyawa naman dyan ang mga supporters ng Team Daraga.
They will be receiving 150,000 pesos from Ako Bicol Party List
And additional
plus
10,000 pesos.
from Governor Grex Lagman.
Once again, our first place, Team Daraga.
Great fight, actually, Kapitan Nathan. Great game. Halos lahat talagang napapatayo sa upuan kanina.
At
Ang
talaga
galing.
Iba ang labanan kanina ng Pulanggi at Daraga. Akala... Okay. Wait. Halos dikit yung scores kanina ng Team Daraga at ng Team Pulanggi.
Nawala yung boses namin ni Kapitan Nathan, kakasigaw.
Iba talaga ang feeling paglalo na pag nasa may side ka ng ring.
Ibang maglaro ang mga Bicolano, Kapitan Nathan.
At dito talaga...
Yung puso talaga yung binibigay.
Makikita talaga natin iba ang talento ng mga Bicolano. And I'm sure mas magiging maganda pa ang labanan sa next season natin for Ako Bicol Cup 2023 naman. Ako, abangan natin. Once again, that's Team Daraga.
Palakpakan naman natin,
First
Team
place.
Daraga!
Ang gagaling. So yun na. We're down with our second and first place.
And now, okay, so I would like to request our photographers to please move backward. Okay, thank you very much.
Maraming salamat.
And now, for our grand champion, Ako Bicol Cup 2022 Grand Champion
Here we
is
go!
Team Pulanggi!
Our champion team for Ako Bicol Cup
Si
2022.
Mayor Adrian, diba?
Ay, talaga naman. Ayan na.
Okay, so
Iba
Kapitan
ang
Nathan,
laban ng mga taga-Pulanggi.
they will be receiving a medal and of course, they will take home tumataginting na 200,000 pesos from Ako Bicol Cup.
Here we go. Isinusuot na ang mga medalya sa mga players ng Team Pulangi. Again,
Once again, Kapitan Nathan, they will be receiving 200,000 pesos from Ako Bicol and 15,000 pesos from Governor Grex Lagman.
wow naman. Once again, congratulations, Team Pulangi, our champion para sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Atin to, parang ang ganda nung medal. Ay, may pa-selfie! Ayan na nga. Ayan, idol na idol yun ni Josa Casey eh. Ayan.
Pinanonood kayo sa Facebook, Mas.
Alright, once again,
Ayan.
congratulations sa champion natin for
Isa
Ako Bicol.
namang bagsak sa Team Pulangi!
Palakpakan naman dyan na may kasamang iyawan!
Yun!
Hey!
Sila po ang ating grand champion sa kauna-unahang Ako Bicol Cup!
2022 again.
Ang ganda ng laban. Dikit na dikit ang laban, Kapitan Nathan.
Ang
Diba?
ganda ng sagutan kanina
Ang
ng Team
galing.
Pulangi at ng Daraga. At talagang hindi mo mahuhulaan. At sa
Kung
mga
sino.
last na minutes na kanina, biglang may tumira pa ng tres.
Yun nga eh.
Ay, nako, ayan. So once again, congratulations sa Team Pulangi.
And of course, ayan, congratulations din sa kanilang coach, sa kanilang mga coaches. Congratulations.
And of course, tonight, we also honoring all the best players and of course, best coach of the season.
Okay, so we still have, okay, sir, dito po ulit tayo.
Sir, dito lang po muna. Meron pa tayo. Meron pa. Okay. Hanggang ano to?
Meron pa po
Mythical
tayo
5
for
and
our
MVP.
special awards. Okay, for our best coach. Okay, ang ating best coach, walang iba kundi si Genesius Coach Momo Malto.
Congratulations
Team
to
Legazpi.
Coach Momo of Team Legazpi.
Okay, so makakatanggap po ang ating best coach ng 10,000 pesos from Willie and Sons. And of course, additional 10,000 pesos from Ako Bicol.
Once again, congratulations to Coach Momo ng Team Legazpi. Siya
Ayan.
ang ating best coach for Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Atin to, ayan.
Okay, so makakatanggap, actually
10,000
makakatanggap
pesos.
siya ng dalawang 10,000.
Dalawang 10,000
from
pesos.
Willie and Sons, 10,000. And Ako Bicol, 10,000 pesos.
And of course, dire-diretso tayo. Here we go.
Sa ating Mythical 5 from 18 LGUs.
All right, here we go with our Mythical 5. Unahin na natin to. First, we have here Daisel Paul Aspe, guard from Team Dalaga.
With 20 points per game, 9.5 assists per game, and 6.2 rebounds.
Once again, we got Daisel Paul Aspe, guard from Team Dalaga. A round of applause, please.
Okay, he will be receiving 10,000 pesos from Ako Bicol.
Next, we have Justin De La Cruz, guard from Team Pulangi. 23 points per game, 8.6 assists per game, and 4 steals per game.
Again, he will be receiving 10,000 pesos from Ako Bicol Party List.
Once again, that's Justin De La Cruz.
Next is Lloyd Jefferson Borbe, forward from Legazpi City. 12.3 points per game, 8 rebounds per game, 6 assists per game. That's Lloyd Jefferson Borbe.
Here we go. We got here Mr. Ernie Diope, forward from Team Daraga. 8.7 points per game, 11 rebounds per game, 1.6 blocks per game. Once again, Ernie Diope.
And to complete our Mythical 5, we have Aymar Sabayo, center from Team Legazpi. 11.3 points per game, 13.2 rebounds per game, and 2.1 blocks per game.
Ladies and gentlemen, our mythical 5 for Ako Bicol Cup 2022. A round of applause, please. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mythical 5.
Once again, they will be receiving 10,000 pesos each from Ako Bicol Party List. And now, let's award our best import.
All right, eto na ang ating best import of the season. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here Ken Fred Kintoy Sigura. We got 38.8 points per game, 6 assists per game, 4.2 steals per game. Once again, our best import, Ken Fred Kintoy Sigura.
And he will be receiving 10,000 pesos from Willie and Sons, an additional 10,000 pesos from Ako Bicol.
Palapakan natin once again our best import, Kent Fred Kintoy Sigura. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here we go with the most prestigious award of the season.
Handa na ba kayo kung sino? Okay, and the Ako Bicol Cup 2022 MVP is none other than Justine De La Cruz!
Magingay ang lahat
Team Polangi!
Now, supporters na Team Polangi, we got here number 13.
He will be
Justin.
receiving 10,000 pesos from Willie and Sons and 10,000 pesos from Ako Bicol.
Here we go.
Again, he will be receiving 10,000 pesos from Willie and Sons and 40,000 from Ako Bicol!
Ladies and gentlemen, our most valuable player of the season, Justin De La Cruz.
De La
Team
Cruz.
Polangi, 23 points per game, 8.6 assists per game, 4 steals per game. From Basud, Polangi Albay, MVP Inter-Commercial League, Daraga, Legazpi, Polangi, and Sorsogon.
And consistent MVP of Team Polangi. Maraming salamat ayan sa ating mga officials. And Kapitan Nathan, once again, in a few minutes, we will be having a concert.
Yep.
Makakasama natin si Glock 9
And
and
Shanti
Shanti Dope.
Dope! Kaya naman sa lahat po ng mga Albayanos na nandito po right now sa Albay Astrodome, tuloy-tuloy ang saya at party-party. Dito lang yan, live na live para sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Atento!
Alright, so once again, in a few minutes, we will be having a concert. Makakasama natin si Glock 9 and Shanti Dope. Once again, congratulations to all the winners!
Congratulations sa ating champion, Team Polangi, and sa lahat-lahat po ng mga teams. Again, 15 munisipalidad at 3 lungsod ang naglaban-laban.
Nagpakita ng kanilang galing, Kapitan Nathan.
Nagpamalas ng kanilang galing sa court.
Oo. Actually, Kapitan Nathan, yung mga ganitong klase ng laro, may papakita mo talaga dyan kung ano ba talaga yung kayang ibigay ng mga atletang Bicolano.
And ito naman talaga nagpapatunay na talaga ang mga Bicolanong atletang Bicolano ay talagang magagaling sa basketball.
Yun.
At mukhang next season
Parang
as
may
mas
ano.
magiging bongga pa to,
Oo.
Josa.
Ngayon unang pa lang to, Kapitan Nathan. The first Ako Bicol Cup.
And talaga namang masasabi natin na talaga namang very successful ang first season ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022 atin to. And syempre, sa pangunguna yan ng Ako Bicol Party List, of course, we got Congressman Saldi Co. And of course, syempre,
Congressman Jill Bongalon.
Jill Bongalon, hello po.
Thank you.
Syempre, nakasama din natin ngayong gabing to. Josa, we have...
Congressman Alfredo Garbin, 2nd District Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda, Kong Juan Miguel Kongkong Salceda of Pulangi.
Of course, kasama din natin Mayor Caloy Baldo of Kamalig.
Nandito rin si Mayor Adrian Salceda. Si Consi Kuya Luis
Gutierrez, hello.
Consi Butch Lucila.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. At sa lahat
syempre,
po,
sa lahat po ng mga mayors na nahandito.
And,
Maraming salamat talagang sinuportahan ang kanilang mga teams.
And syempre, pasalamatan din natin ang lahat ng mga sponsors natin for Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Maraming salamat sa Willie and Sons.
Incotus.
And syempre, kasama din natin dyan ang Misibis Bay.
Nandyan din ang Hong Supermarket. Maraming salamat.
Of course, syempre, isa pa sa mga
Okay.
sponsors natin, we have here Ellis Eco
At nagbabalik po kami ni Coach Kyle Marilla. Kapa Morgan, at your service pa rin sa pagtatapos ng ating championship game and the awarding of Ako Bicol Cup 2022 inaugural season.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta from day 1 up to this finals. At ang tuloy-tuloy, and we have a record of 16,000 viewers sa ating online TV. Again, very overwhelming yung support ninyo. Maraming salamat po. And of course, nakita natin yung Mythical 5, the MVP, the best import. Well-deserved para sa mga taong yan.
And we would like also to thank Josa Casey and Kapitan Nathan for hosting our awarding ceremony kanina. And nandun yung mga VIP giving those awards sa ating mga Mythical 5 MVP and of course the winning teams dito po sa pagtatapos ng ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng mga sumuporta. Hindi lang po yung mga viewers natin, maging yung mga sponsors natin. Willie & Sons, Yashano Mall, Inco Tools, to name a few. Maraming salamat po.
Yeah, maraming salamat muli po sa inyo. Magkita-kita tayo for another season of Ako Bicol Cup 2022. And of course, let's take this chance na magpasalamat din sa ating production. Pasok kayo dito sa amin.
Pakita nyo ang
ating mga kaway-kaway tayo, the production team. We are all proud of you guys. Ang ganda ng performance natin. The cameraman, the audio Polo Dronyo, Direk Christian,
yes,
Mark, the game producer, Ryan, the graphic artist, and all of us that is part of our Ako Bicol Cup production team.
Yes, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Once again, this is Kapa Morgan.
At ako,
signing off for now with Coach Kyle Marilla.
Yeah, this is Coach Kyle Marilla. This is not a goodbye. See you later. And of course, kasama natin sa courtside si Carmela Hernandez. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.